Greetings and welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through the process of creating a Dynamic V2Ray account, a method that can significantly improve your internet speed. Let's begin by opening your web browser and navigating to google.com. Once there, search for FastSSH.com to access the website's homepage. Upon reaching the website, locate the Dynamic Server option and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Dynamic V2Ray Server. Choose a V2Ray server in your preferred location and click on Create V2Ray Account. Enter your username, SNI, and complete the robot verification. Scroll down the page and click on Create Account to submit your request. Please wait patiently as your account is being processed. Once completed, click on Copy to save your account details. You are now ready to use this account in any Dynamic V2Ray supporting application. For detailed instructions on integrating this account into various applications for enhanced internet speed, kindly refer to the description. Experience the remarkable increase in internet speed with your Dynamic V2Ray account. Don't forget to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels, the links are available in the description. We appreciate your support. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the realm of improved internet connectivity through Dynamic V2Ray account creation. Let's enhance your online experience together.